Forget everything you think you know about Georgia. Not the U.S. state, not Peaches or Atlanta, but a much older place that predates most civilizations by thousands of years. This is Georgia, a land where ancient mountains guard the stories of humanity, where stone towers punctuate alpine skies, and where wine was born over 8,000 years ago. Here, nestled at the jagged crossroads of Europe and Asia, lies a country that few travelers understand, let alone truly explore. Georgia is a hidden jewel, a place where history, culture, and nature converge with a timeless magic that defies modern borders. Geographically graceful and culturally complex, Georgia stretches from the Black Sea shores to the towering peaks of the Greater Caucasus. Its landscapes are as varied as its history: lush vineyards, ancient fortifications, deep river gorges, and villages perched like forgotten postcards on cliff faces. Archaeologists have found evidence here of human activity dating back hundreds of thousands of years, but perhaps most compelling is Georgia's claim to the oldest known winemaking tradition in the world. Clay vessels unearthed in vineyards show traces of fermented grapes nearly 8,000 years old, older than the Egyptian pyramids, older than Greek civilization itself. And yet, in the heart of this ancient land is Tbilisi, the capital, where history and modern life mesh together in an irresistible rhythm. Cobblestone lanes wind between medieval churches, sulfur bathhouses billow steam into the crisp air, and vibrant street life unfolds beneath castle walls that have stood for centuries. It's a city of contrasts. Here, traditional balconies hang above hip cafes. Nearby, cable cars ascend to hilltop fortresses for panoramic views. Narikala Fortress looms, a silent testament to Georgia's resilience, a nation that survived empires, invasions, and the ebb and flow of history. Just a couple of hours east, the golden valleys of Kakheti await. This is Georgia's wine country, a land where the kvevri method of winemaking, using large clay pots buried deep in the earth, has persisted almost unchanged for millennia. Here, wine isn't just a drink, it's identity, heritage, ritual. At family Maranis, traditional wine cellars, generations gather to ferment grapes, sing ancient songs, and share stories at the supra, the Georgian feast, where toasts flow as freely as the wine, and every host becomes a storyteller. But Georgia's past isn't limited to wine alone. In places like Grokliani Hill, archaeologists have uncovered evidence of early scripts and ritual sites that challenge what we know about writing and early civilization in the Caucasus. These artifacts, ancient altars, mysterious inscriptions, and remnants of Bronze Age settlements paint a picture of a society far more sophisticated and interconnected than previously imagined. Further south, Vardzia emerges from the mountains like a myth. This sprawling cave city, carved into sheer rock faces in the 12th century, once housed thousands of monks. Passages twist deep into the earth, frescoed chapels whisper to the present, and sunlight cuts narrow beams into hidden chambers. It seems almost impossible that such wonders remain so little known, a testament to Georgia's ability to preserve secrets through time, tucked away between the ridges and valleys of its rugged terrain. In the northwest, Svaneti feels like a world away. Here, ancient stone towers rise like sentinels against the sky, framing villages where life moves to the cadence of mountain winds and centuries-old customs. Whether bathed in sunlight or shrouded in cloud, the Caucasus Mountains deliver some of the most breathtaking landscapes on Earth. And then there's the food, rich, soulful, and deeply tied to place. Georgia's cuisine mirrors its diverse geography. Hearty dumplings called khinkali,
cheese-filled breads known as khachapuri, smoky barbecues, and vegetable dishes rich with herbs and spices. Every meal is an experience, every table a celebration. Accompanied by natural wines and the warmth of Georgian hospitality, dining here becomes a ritual, lively, communal, unforgettable. Music and tradition weave through everyday life. Georgian polyphonic singing, complex, ancient, and hauntingly beautiful, has been recognized by UNESCO as one of the world's great intangible cultural heritages. It resonates across valleys and village squares, echoing the spirit of a people deeply connected to their land and to each other. On the Black Sea coast, Batumi presents another side of Georgia. Black Sea breezes, contemporary architecture, tranquil gardens, and seaside promenades. It's a reminder that this country defies easy description, ancient yet modern, serene yet wild, quiet yet rich with life. Georgia is not just a destination, it's a revelation. Here, the past is alive, the landscape speaks, and every corner holds a story waiting to be told. Whether you seek ancient mysteries, natural beauty, cultural depth, or unforgettable hospitality, this hidden gem of the world will leave you changed forever. Welcome to Georgia, a land older than history, richer than legend, and still waiting to be discovered.